everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to unbox Darling Bead Box the month of November. I hope you like this one. Let's get into it. Ooh, we have dark grey today. So I have this package first. So last month in my unboxing video I realized that I had a broken chain links, and I asked them to send me one in the next box, so maybe this is it. Oh, how nice. That's very nice of them. They also sent me a couple of extra beads. That's very nice of them. Thank you, Darling Bead Box. I will obviously make use of them. So, as you can see, I have a grey bag here. The theme is called November Sky, and in this box we shall see some agate and chalcedony. So we have 22 pieces. Let's get started. So first we have 21 cm strand 6mm grey faceted round beads. These are cool grey beads. They are faceted. Rondelles though, as far as I can see, but they are pretty nonetheless. Number 2, we have 30 pieces 6mm Czech bicons in dark silver grey. Ooh, these are cool, sort of like steampunky. Very cool bicons, never seen anything like this. They look like washed, how do you say, rusty. They look like rusty grey, but they're quite cool. Can make your piece look a bit different. Next we have 30 pieces 6mm Czech Druks in grey plum with copper finish. Wow, these have a really great color. They are fantastic. They are really fantastic. Very nice, very great texture, great pattern. Fantastic, absolutely beautiful. We'll definitely use those. You can see, for now, they are quite different. The three bags. Next we have 30 cm strand 4mm black round glass beads. So I love black in my pieces, and these are absolutely gorgeous. Take a look. There is one which is a bit on the rectangular side, but the rest are absolutely circle. They are fantastic. Fantastic. Next we have number 5. 20 pieces Czech glass daggers with jagged edge, grey and pink. So I can already see greys and pinks in this box. These are very different. These are cool. So you have these daggers. They have a sort of like a curved texture. These will be absolutely great for earrings. So you have great pink daggered earrings, very cool, and they go very well with the second item that we got, the bicons, because they sort of give off that feel, that armor feel, if you know what I mean. Number 6, 20 cm strand 8mm natural agate in light grey. So some agate. This is absolutely wonderful. It's very nice grey. What do you think? I love gemstones, and the colors look nice. They really look nice. So you can see greys and pinks. So next, number 7, 10 pieces, 10mm handmade round porcelain flower beads, Plum. These are gorgeous. We got something similar in the bargain bead box, but this gives off more a greyish, an ancient pink, sort of more toned back feel to the flower porcelain beads. These are absolutely great. Again, they go well with the theme, and you have something different to go into your pieces. So next, to number 8, 27cm strand, 6mm dark grey glass pearls. Ooh, these are gorgeous. I love pearls. Dark grey pearls, they give off that, again, that sort of armor vibe, cool vibe. You are very cool wearing these. I think these will look great in a necklace, in a bracelet. Absolutely gorgeous. And they go well with everything so far. So you got that black with it, that's first those faceted beads as well, the bicones as well, and also the plum. They go well with them. Very cool. So next we have number 9, 18cm strand, 4mm natural agate, faceted round beads in light grey. These are tiny but mighty. They are great, so great. So these are a bit transparent, but they are great. You give a grey hue to them as well. So we have lots to work with. Number 10, 20cm strand, 6mm natural round, chalcedony, light plum. This is a gorgeous color. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. And they go well together. It's sort of a lilac. Absolutely gorgeous. They go well with the flowers, they go well with the plum. Not so much with the daggers, but maybe you can make it work. But with the 4mm beads, they go absolutely well as well. So next we have number 11, 6mm Austrian crystal faceted glass bicones, clear AB. Clear bicones, lovely bicones. I love bicones. They are 6mm, so they are not the usual 4, the most common. They are great. Absolutely, you can work with them. You have another color to work with. Always find space for bicones. We love bicones here. So next, number 12, 38cm strand, 3mm Austrian crystal faceted glass bicones, Old Rose. These are tiny bicones. Lovely. These are 3mm, but they are absolutely great. Old Rose, so it's sort of a darkish pink, purplish tone, but it goes well with the theme. Absolutely beautiful. Goes well with those pearls. I love those pearls. So next we have number 13, 6 pieces, 14mm dark grey glass pearls. These are huge. Absolutely great. Great for a necklace, great for a huge statement ring, and even you can do like earrings with a huge statement. They match the other pearls. They are absolutely gorgeous. So you can make a set with those. Darling bees love to do this. They give the same they love to give the same pearls or types of beads in different sizes, so you can do a set. Next, number 14, 50 pieces, 4mm Czech Druks in plum. I hope that's Druks. These are gorgeous. They are a bit small, but I love the color. So they go well with the other plums. I love the colors, different. It's a cool purple, cool purple. They go well with everything, really. So next, now we are starting. We have silver findings this week, and we have something different as well. So let's see. So Darling Bead Box usually likes to give findings with the box as well. So let's see what we got this time. Number 15. So we have 3 meters, 1mm red tail, nylon satin cord, plum. So this is a satin cord. We can use it to string beads, to create something with it. Absolutely gorgeous color. It fits well with the theme. So next we have number 16. 12 pieces, 12 by 12mm silver petals. These are great, almost like a mirror. These are so great. So silver, you can make a statement necklace with these. Absolutely gorgeous. Next we have number 17, 1 meter, 5 by 3.5 curved chain platinum color. So we love chain, everyone needs some chain. We can use this to finish the projects. Absolutely a need. We need chain. Great, we love chain. So number 18, 30 pieces, 8mm flower bead caps. So bead caps, I always say, they make the project look more finished, more not so DIY, and gives it an elegant look. So these are great. I think there are a couple of sizes, or am I going wrong? No. So bead caps, always good to have bead caps. Number 19, 15 pieces, 8 by 3mm silver saucer spacers. So spacer beads are a must when you need to finish a piece, to fill the gaps, and these are great. So spacer beads, I worked with these previously, and they are great. They make the project look more how do you say, finished, shiny, giving contrast to the pieces, to the beads. So it's absolutely a necessity. Number 20, 10 pieces, 16 by 1.5mm antique silver flower links. So we have some links. Usually they do not give a lot of links, to be honest, so this is quite a surprise. So as you can see, here you can combine flowers and the grayish and the pink and the plum that we got in the box. This will be absolutely gorgeous. You can do some beading around it. You can use them as charms. You can use them in earrings or a great pendant necklace as well. They are absolutely very versatile to use. So next, last 2 pieces, we have 2 pieces, 34 by 25.5 antique silver chandeliers. So we have a couple of chandeliers here. Absolutely great for earrings or a pendant, but I love earrings myself. These will be great to use with those daggers, actually. Absolutely great. Next, finally, clasps. 1 box clasp and 3 toggle clasps. So Darling Beads, they always like to give different clasps, and take a look at these. So let's match them. Have toggle clasps and a different clasp. 1 box. Ah, that's gorgeous with the flower. That's absolutely great. Great. So that's it for today. We have these. This is the full list. What did you think of this box? I absolutely adore it. I like the colors, they are very coherent. There's a lot of potential you can do with it. Check out my other videos. I unbox other videos from Darling Bead Box, and I also do projects with Bargain Bead Box. So Darling Bead Box are they ship worldwide at the same shipping cost. So I bought this myself, and these are my opinions, and I did not get paid for it. So I hope you like this one, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye. And we are going to see the agate, which is a semi-precious silica mineral, a variety of I cannot read that. Let's get into it. So I cannot read this word. Tough. Okay, Google, how do you say Chalcedony?
That's pronounced calzone.
No. Yeah. Okay, Google, what is a sort of quartz microcrystal?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Okay, Google, how do you pronounce Chalcedony?
That's pronounced chalcedony.
تحسب Chalcedony.
Chalcedony.
Chalcedony. Okay, so apparently it's Chalcedony. It's a form of quartz. So